So we are going to read a story, okay?
Yes.
What story we have?
Tiggy wins a trophy.
Good. Turn the page now.
One day, Tiggy saw a notice on the school notice board. The school
Was
was
having
having a good manners competition.
what school was going to conduct?
Good manners competition.
Good manners competition, right?
And the
Winner
winner
would.
would get a big trophy.
So what winner would get?
A big trophy.
A big trophy. The person or the student who will win the game or a competition,
Yes. And
he will get
a big trophy.
a big trophy. Now again turn the page.
Tiggy replied.
No, Tiggy really
Tiggy really
wanted.
wanted to win.
Tiggy wanted to win that game,
win
right?
That game, yes. He went to his mother and
Asked.
asked
Asked
her,
her.
Mummy, can you
Please
please
teach me.
teach me good manners?
I
I
really
really
want to.
want to win.
What he want to win? He want to win
The competition.
competition. He wanted to win that competition. What he asked to her mother?
To win,
No, what he asked? He asked, Mummy, can you please teach me good manners?
no.
So he is asking to her mother, please teach me good manners. Okay?
Yes.
Come on. Now again turn the page. Now what mother replied?
His mother
Said.
said
Of course, Tiggy.
of course, Tiggy, just
Remember.
remember a short
Good.
rhyme and you
Will
will
learn.
learn of
No. Most.
of the good manners
You.
you need
Good.
to
Learn.
learn.
Again read the same.
You,
No. Read from here again.
his mother says,
No.
Sid
Said.
said of,
His mother said.
his mother said
Of course, Tiggy.
of course, Tiggy, just
Remember.
remember a short rhyme and you will learn most of the good manners you need to learn.
Okay. Now what mother replied? She replied, you have to just remember a short rhyme.
Rhyme.
Okay. What is the rhyme?
Always be on time
Yes. Always be on time.
and wait your turn in a line.
Good.
Keep things tidy and neat.
Tidy and neat.
Tidy and neat. And greet people your meet.
Read again. That is
And-
not your you.
Greet people you meet.
Whenever you meet anyone, you have to greet them like
Greet them. Good morning.
good morning.
Good evening.
Very good.
Look. Good morning.
Yes.
When
Coughing.
coughing and sneezing, cover your mouth.
So what you have to do while coughing and sneezing?
Cover your mouth.
Cover your mouth. Always.
Always talk politely and never shout.
Never shout.
Never shout.
You have to talk
Politely.
politely. Very good.
With your friends, do not fight.
So do not fight with your friends.
And
Always
always say sorry when you are not
Right.
right.
You should say sorry
Yes.
when you are wrong, when you do something wrong, okay?
Yes. Look, so sorry.
I'm so sorry written
I'm
here.
so sorry.
Alright, next.
Tiggy
Learn.
learned
Again, Tiggy learned
the
rules
rules. Tiggy learned the rules and
practiced
practice time
them
them
every day.
every
He learned all the
for the
what he learned?
good manners.
Yes, good not game. He learned all the good manners.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Good manners he learned.
Never shout. Say sorry.
Good.
Do not fight.
Very good.
Greet people.
Excellent. What else?
Always be on time.
Always be on time. Very good. So all these are good manners.
Yes.
Tiggy learned all them. Okay, now he
Yes.
practiced every day.
Yes.
Read the next sentence.
He
Reached
reached school on time and
always
always
stood in the line.
stood in the line. He
Spoke
spoke
politely.
politely and
Was
was
friendly.
friendly with all kids.
Good.
He wished
He wished
his
teachers
teachers and
kept
kept his
table
table
neat,
neat and
clean.
clean. Next, all the teachers
Were
were
very
very
impressed.
impressed with
Tiggy.
Tiggy.
Now Tiggy was following all the good manners, so all the teachers were happy to see him.
Yes. And
At the
at the
end
end of the
week.
week
What is a week?
days,
Days. Like a week is having 7 days.
7 days.
Tell me the names.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday,
Wednesday.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Good. These all are weekdays. Okay.
Weekday.
So at the end of the week means Saturday. That is the end of the week. Okay. They gave. They
They gave him the
grand trophy.
grand trophy.
Trophy.
Look, this is a trophy and this is a number.
Yes. Now he got first position in that good manners competition. Right.
Yes.
He won that game.
2, 1, 3.